हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ग्लैम हैक्स और मैं हूँ जोया और आज मैं आई हूँ एक और नए वीडियो के साथ। सो एंड दिस वीडियो इज़ अबाउट हेयर कलर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन। सो यस, एज यू ऑल कैन सी कि लाइक मेरे बाल काइंड ऑफ ब्लॉन्ड, लाइक ब्राउन ब्लॉन्ड टाइप है। तो yes, so I am gonna transform my hair into burgundy color. Burgundy color, why burgundy color? Okay, let me explain you why. So एज यू ऑल कैन सी, जितने लाइट बाल होते हैं इतना रफ बाल दिखते हैं और मेरे बाल कुछ ज़्यादा ही रफ दिख रहे हैं एंड आई एम रियली नॉट वेरी हैप्पी विद दिस ये रफ लुक. सो जस्ट इन केस टू अवॉइड दिस रफनेस एंड दिस ड्राइनेस फ्रॉम माई हेयर, आई एम गोइंग टू लाइक शिफ्ट माई हेयर फ्रॉम दिस ब्लॉन्ड कलर टू बर्गेंडी कलर. बर्गेंडी कलर थोड़ा डार्क शेड्स में आता है और ऑब्वियसली आपके बाल इतने ज़्यादा रफ नज़र नहीं आएंगे जितने कि मेरे फ़िलहाल नज़र आ रहे हैं. I am really not liking this dryness and dullness, so this is the reason I am transferring my hair color from blonde to burgundy. So yes, let's do it. Let's begin. For this hair color transformation, I am using Garnier product, as you all can see, and this guys cost me only 37 rupees, as you all can see here. And ऐसे मुझे 2 पैक्स लगे. I mean मेरे बालों के लेंथ के लिए I guess 2 पैक लगेंगे. तो मैंने एक ऑलरेडी मिक्स कर लिया है, as you all can see. In this pack you will get, इसके अंदर आपको ऐसे 2 सैशेस मिल जाएंगे. सो आप जब इन दोनों को मिक्स करोगे तो ऐसा कुछ फॉर्म होगा. सो दिस इज़ नॉट एक्चुअली मिक्सड येट, बट या कलर आप देख ही सकते हैं. सो येस, सो लेट्स बिगिन. सो येस, यू कैन से दैट कि लाइक दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट टाइम दैट आई एम ट्राइंग कलर करना घर पे, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली लॉकडाउन चल रहा है एंड आई एम रियली नॉट लाइकिंग दिस ड्राइनेस एंड डलनेस इन माई हेयर. सो आई कैन नॉट वेट टू लाइक लॉकडाउन जब तक ख़त्म हो मैं तब तक वेट नहीं करना चाहती. तो लेट्स ट्राई दिस एंड लेट्स सी इफ दिस रियली वर्क्स. सो आई एम ऑल प्रिपेयर्ड विद ऑल द स्टफ व्हिच आई रिक्वायर्ड टू मेक दिस वीडियो, मेक इट वर्क. सो या, सो आई हैव दिस plastic which I will be tying around my neck like this, and I have gloves which I'll be wearing on my hands. Obviously you don't want to get your hands dirty, don't you? Like that. So yes, so let's begin. So yes guys, one more thing, don't forget to like pin up your hair like this. ये सेक्शन हम बाद में करेंगे. फर्स्ट वी डू दिस लोअर सेक्शन. सो लेट्स बिगिन. सो मैं बर्गेंडी कलर से उन्हीं पोर्शंस में लगा रही हूँ जहाँ पे मेरे लाइक एज यू ऑल कैन सी ओनली इन द ब्लॉन्ड सेक्शन और ब्राउन सेक्शन or golden section. I am not going anywhere else, so I am not touching this hair. This is my natural hair color, as you all can see. I am not touching this. I am going to work only on this. So let's see. Okay guys, I wasn't able to do with the gloves. I mean, let's try without gloves because I'm not used to it. So let's see without, how does it work without gloves. I just hope my hand doesn't like turn into like, it's already turning. Let's see. So as you all can see, oh my goodness. So I am done with one section, so let me move towards the other section of my hair. So, yeah. Okay guys, so I'm done with my I'm done with my lower section now. Okay guys, so I would like to share the experience so far. The experience so far was good as well as bad. Good because yes, I'm done with my hair color, like coloring process. And bad is this. As you all can see, like this is the worst part. Like I couldn't really use gloves because I'm not used to it. And then I thought of going like bare hands, and this is how my hand turned out to be. Like, what do I do now? I seriously hope that this just fades away as soon as possible, and I guess it will. Let's hope for the best. Okay, people out there, the coloring process is done, and now I am waiting for the color to dry. Like obviously it takes like around 30 to 45 minutes maybe. So I'll be back soon. Let's see how as Garnier worked on me. Like so far, good and bad experience, as I already told you, and I really hope that this oh my god, like can you see it? I hope that it just fades away as soon as possible. Not my hair color, but hand color fades away as soon as possible. Yeah. Okay, so I guess 10 minutes has been passed, so not bad. I kind of like this color now. Like I kind of like this. Like really? Can you see that? Okay guys, so I will be soon back. Maybe after my hair is dried, and then I'll go for a wash, and then let's see the results. I hope you are excited as well. So guys, here are the results. So I wasn't expecting my hair to turn out this dark. I don't know if I have to be happy or sad about this because I kind of like this color as well, but okay. So as they promised the burgundy color, but I did not kind of receive any burgundy color. My hair is like black right now. Maybe after few washes, when the color fades away, I guess then थोड़ा बहुत burgundy color नजर आएगा या फिर maroonish color नजर आएगा. But right now it's not burgundy. Okay. As far as I was concerned about my hand color, yes, that really, like, it's washed out. That color has washed out, so I have no problem with this. My review about this product is I'm not very happy. I'm not very sad about the product because I'm not very happy because they promised burgundy, but this is not burgundy, as you all can see. I'm not really sad because I am kind of like loving this color as well. This video was about hair color transformation, so I guess I had really transformed my hair like way too fast. So okay guys, so if you all enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe it with your family, with your friends, and let them know as well. If you got any questions, mention it down in the comment box so that I can answer all your questions. Or you can even follow me on my Instagram ID. I will mention my Instagram ID in my description box so that you can go and follow me on my Instagram as well. Once again, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. That kind of motivates me to make more such videos. Okay guys, so that was it for today. Until next time, bye bye, take care.